Welcome back to the Tourism and Hospitality Guide. In Part 1, we explored what Six Sigma is and why it matters for hotels. Today, in Part 2, we're going to break down exactly how Six Sigma works, using the famous DMAIC process. And of course, I'll give you real hospitality examples so you can see it in action. Let's get started. DMAIC is the backbone of Six Sigma. It stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. Think of it as a roadmap that hotels can follow to solve problems and improve guest service. Let's walk through each step using a real example. Reducing check-in time at a busy hotel. First step is Define. In this step, the hotel identifies the problem. For example, guests are complaining about long check-in times, especially during peak hours. The goal is to reduce the waiting time and improve first impressions. The second step is Measure. Here, the hotel collects data over 2 weeks. Continuing the example, they find that the average check-in time is 12 minutes, while guest expectations are closer to 5 minutes. The third step is to Analyze. Here, the data reveals that delays happen because front desk staff are multitasking too much, processing payments, manually filling out forms, and answering guest questions all at once. The fourth step is to improve where solutions are introduced. The hotel launches an online pre-check-in option, adds a self-service payment kiosk, and schedules an extra staff member during peak hours. The final step is Control. Finally, the hotel ensures that the improvements last by monitoring check-in times, training staff, and setting a performance standard that check-in should not exceed 5 minutes. Let's look at a few more scenarios where Six Sigma made a difference. Housekeeping efficiency. A luxury hotel noticed rooms were often not ready on time. Using Six Sigma, they discovered housekeeping wasted time going back and forth for supplies. The solution? Stocking carts more effectively. This reduced cleaning time and ensured rooms were ready faster. Restaurant waste reduction. A hotel restaurant used Six Sigma to analyze food waste. By tracking portion sizes and popular dishes, they cut food waste by 15%. This saved money and improved sustainability while keeping guests satisfied. Guest complaint management. Another hotel found that many guest complaints went unresolved because there was no follow-up system. Six Sigma helped them create a complaint tracking process, ensuring that every guest concern was addressed within 24 hours. DMAIC works because it's not just about fixing problems once, it's about building habits of continuous improvement. In hospitality, that means smoother operations, happier staff, more satisfied guests, and ultimately, stronger brand reputation. And that wraps up Part 2 of our lecture series on Six Sigma in hotels. We've seen how DMAIC works step by step, and how real hotels have applied it to solve problems. If you enjoyed this lecture, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tourism and Hospitality Guide. And let me know in the comments, would you like to see more examples of Six Sigma applied to tourism and hospitality? See you in the next lecture.